They are very similar. So if you have one of them, I think you should not purchase the other one. Today we are going to test this perfume, which is, I forgot, Historic Sahara or Historic, yes, it is Historic Sahara, the brown one over here. This is from Afnan and I am seeing a lot of hype and people love it. Let's find out how it is going to perform and how it actually relates to the other dupes or other perfumes I have. I have the one from French Avenue. So Historic Sahara, top notes cinnamon, cardamom, bergamot. Middle notes Elemi, vanilla, sugar. Base notes musk, almond, tonka, wood, praline and ambroxan. Notes are really good. I didn't like French Avenue liquid brun. So let's find out how this one goes. And I am going to spray it on the strip over here. Let's spray this one. Very similar, a bit kind of like air freshener vibe in the start. Yes, sugary sweet, caramel, vanilla. Yes, it is like burnt sugar, sweet, sugary, caramel, vanilla. Yes, cardamom is there, fresh cardamom. More kind of like uplifting or airy cardamom rather than, you know, a little bit of warm or medium kind of cardamom. It is not warm or cardamom, it is kind of like airy, light cardamom. Cinnamon might be mixed in the background, but it is not very prominent over here. Tonka and vanilla, I think vanilla is very prominent over here. Sugary vanilla perfume. Very close to French Avenue liquid brun. I haven't sniffed PDM Althair or Althair, whatever it is. But this is a nice perfume in my opinion. Almost very close to French Avenue. Almost the same. I would say that if that is 19, it is 20. So there is not much of a difference between these two. I'm not sure about the price point. Price point though about this Afnan Historic Sahara and French Avenue liquid brun. I'm going to display both of these over here and also the prices so you can compare both of them together. They are very similar. So if you have one of them, I think you should not purchase the other one. This is really similar. So this is almost the same as French Avenue. The same vanilla, burnt sugar, light cardamom, airy kind of feel to it, light metallic feel to it. Yes, there is a light metallic feel. That's why people brag about it. This is really good. This is really awesome. But for me, I don't like this scent profile much. Okay. So this is my take on Historic Sahara from Afnan. This is a very nice perfume. If you like vanilla, sugary, burnt sugar, airy, light metallic kind of perfumes, this is for you. I think it is going to suit females more, in my opinion. I would not like it on my skin. I would love it on a woman's skin. I'm going to give it now rating. It is going to be 7 out of 10 for scent profile and 8 out of 10 for performance. I think it is going to perform really well. It is strong. It has some punch and the juice is also very yellowish kind of juice. So this is my review about Historic Almeida, which is the dupe of PDM Althair, I think. So I hope you can judge this. If I had to personally go back and buy again, I would buy Historic Sahara rather than French Avenue because I think this one is blended a bit more or better. So this is my review. I'm going to give it like 7 out of 10 for scent profile and 8 out of 10 for performance. This is going to perform really well. And this is my honest review about Afnan perfumes. Some of them I really love, some of them I really dislike or hate, I would say. So this is it and I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.